Alright, got this 06 F350 6.0. Replacing a oil pressure switch. The new one. This is the old one. Tell there's some oil inside. Got one of your sockets here. 1 1/16". Deep socket. The hole is down there by the turbo. You see it right there. And I did take off the air intake and put that down like that to get onto that sensor. Didn't really need to take off the CAC tube, but it kind of created more space. This is the pigtail right there. I got all this off, the air cleaner. And apparently a trick on the CAC tube when you take them off is to mark where there's a line. Say it was like this, mark this line right here on your tube. That way you can line it up. Learn that after the fact. That way it doesn't rub on anything. And so yep, that's pretty much it. Get everything put back together. New one installed.